guys, I'm Shireen. Welcome to my kitchen. If this is the first time you've been to my channel, welcome and welcome to my kitchen. Here we make homemade made easy, where we cook from scratch, but easy enough for everyday cooking. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider and ring the notification bell so that way you don't miss a meal. Today we're making my CYPRIOT family's favorite soup. They make this all the time, Avgolemono. So it's basically a Greek soup that's thickened with eggs, spiked with lemon. The first time I had this soup, I was 9 months pregnant. It was the blizzard of 2000. This one is just gonna create great memories for your family. So first, to get started, we need to roast the chicken. You can make the chicken stock two ways. I'll attach the card above to show you. I like to roast the chicken, then use those roasted bones to make an intense flavored stock. So we've heated our oven to 400 degrees, and now you want to season the bird liberally with kosher salt all over, even get inside that cavity, and freshly cracked black pepper. You want to stuff the cavity with fresh thyme, onions, and lemon. So this is going to infuse great flavor to the meat of the chicken. Take some butcher's twine and tie the legs together for even cooking. 1 hour and 15 minutes later, a perfectly juicy roasted chicken. Now we're just going to remove it to rest 15 to 20 minutes and shred that meat off the bone for our Avgolemono soup. Carcass from the whole chicken. And then vegetables. So here we have carrots, celery, onions, so that's our mirepoix. You could really use fennel, leeks. There's no hard and fast rule. So we have some thyme, we have 2 bay leaves, about half a tablespoon of black peppercorns. Now I'm not putting these in a little bouquet because my strainer will catch all of this. Some parsley. So when you roast your chickens, save your carcass. So we're making the stock in an 8-quart pressure cooker. We're gonna get it done in 1.5 hours. You could also do it on the stove, which will take you 4 hours. Our chicken stock is ready, and now we need to strain it. The best part about making stock in your pressure cooker is you don't need to skim the foam, and it gives you robust, delicious flavor. We have a 6-quart stock pot. We have 1.5 cups long grain rice. So now we're just going to reduce this to a simmer, cover it, and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So you want 4 eggs at room temperature. We're going to temper the chicken broth into the egg mixture before we add it into the soup. Our eggs right into the soup. See, now we're not scrambling the eggs. I love lemon. So my husband's family is from Cyprus. We were actually married in Cyprus, and my father-in-law, he grows these in his little green room. Look how beautiful. I still love that the leaves are on here. These are so beautiful. So of course, I have to use this in my soup. So we're just gonna freshly squeeze our lemons. We need about 1/2 cup. All right, now for our chicken. So look, we have a nice amount of chicken. So this is a really hearty soup. And we cut the heat because we don't want to cook this chicken any further. And then we're just gonna add our lemon juice. Some parsley, and that's it. All right, so this, my friends, is Avgolemono. You want to finish it with freshly cracked black pepper, some parsley. It's hearty, it's comforting, it's so delicious. We've made it from scratch. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy.